What types of automotive plastic can CNC machine? Automotive plastics are essential materials in modern car manufacturing. They help reduce vehicle weight, improve fuel efficiency, lower manufacturing costs, and meet requirements for heat resistance, wear resistance, insulation, impact strength, and aesthetics. Different plastics are suitable for different parts of a car, depending on load conditions, temperature, and assembly requirements. Common automotive plastics include ABS, PP, PA, POM, PC, PE, PVC, PMMA, PEK, and PTFE. ABS is commonly used for interior panels, dashboards, and housings. PP works well for bumpers, protective panels, and lightweight structure parts. PA nylon is ideal for heat resistance, wear resistance, and load-bearing components. POM is used for gears, bushings, and sliding parts. PC and PMMA are suitable for transparent covers, lamps, and appearance parts. PEK and PTFE are applied in high temperature, wear resistance, and low fabrication specialty parts. When machining automotive plastics with CNC, factors such as dimensional accuracy, heat resistance and impact resistance, surface finish, material stability, and assembly fits are critical because they directly affect parts reliability, lifespan, and vehicle performance. For standard plastic parts, injection molding is often sufficient for mass production. However, for new model developments, functional verification, small batch prototyping, non-standard assemblies, or high-precision plastic parts, CNC machining is more flexible. It allows rapid prototyping, small batch production, and custom parts fabrication, helping engineers validate structure, material, and assembly performance before mass production.